Welcome, dear children, to e-learning classes. Today we shall continue with our activity number 6. Fill in the blanks in the table given below. The following example may help you. Here one table has been given and you have to make the missing noun or the verb. Now examples are given. The first word ability, that is noun. So verb will be enable and adjective will be able. In the same way, decision is noun. The verb will be decide and adjective will be decisive. In the same way you have to do it. Now here the adjective is given, that is determined. So for determined, noun will be determination and verb will be determined. Now next verb is given remarked. So the noun will be remark and the adjective will be remarkable. I will give you this as PDF. Now we come to activity 7. Here change the following sentence into reported speech. Now the sentence has been given as the direct speech. So it is in the inverted comma. So we will change into reported speech. Now what is reported speech? Now for example, you are reporting something. So in that case there will be no inverted comma. Clear, children? The first one is, what is the matter with you? You can't solve a simple problem. In simple proposition, ask father. For this the reported speech will be, father asked his son scoldingly what the matter was with him. He asked him further if he could solve a simple problem in simple proportion. Now second one, father, I cannot do the sum, Swaminathan said, pushing away the slate. For this the answer will be, pushing away the slate, Swaminathan strongly reacted to his father saying that he could not do the sum. In the same way you have to do it. This also I will give you as PDF. Now in activity 8, Shankar's father has given him 50 rupees. The three friends decide to go to the marketplace and spend it. The shopkeeper gives them the following bill. Shankar has to report to his father how he spent the money. Write a dialogue between Shankar and his father giving an account of the money he spent. Now here is the bill and what he has purchased, it is shown in the bill. Now in the given dialogue box you have to write the dialogues, what Shankar's father will tell Shankar and what Shankar will reply. This also I will give you as PDF. The 9th activity is your homework. You have to write the names of mangoes and their prices. So you have to visit a market and find out the different varieties of mangoes and the price. Now we move on to activity 10. Finally, write a paragraph stating the facts you have discovered after visiting a market. So here you have to write a paragraph. This I will give you as PDF. I hope, dear children, you have understood these activities. Thank you for watching the video.